to the Freebie Kids Texas channel. Today we're going to build a Batman castle. First, I need my lovely assistants. Hi. Hello. Let's build it!
Hacker obsessed with riddles and games.
No one finds his twisted games amusing except for him.
Pecan Creek is a former wrestling champion. He has a reptile-like appearance.
He acts like a crocodile with a toothache. He is one angry criminal.
Water system malfunction detected.
Master Bruce, the Batcave is filling with water.
Don't worry, Batman. I won't flood the whole place.
Bill, this is a shooting deal. Bill. What's your things for the shooting deal? Wow, I can go from before this day. I'll go get it. This is an awesome Batcave. This is the bad guy one. Here, miss.
This is not the good
And this is the bad guy one too. And this is the bad one too. And this is bad one too.
The penguin has been detected.
And this one is
a master
the bad girl.
She can move without making any noise.
And this is the Joker.
The Joker has been detected.
Let's shut off that alarm, Batman. It's party time.
That's crazy. What? Ah! What happened to my back castle?
Hey, look at me.
It's funny.
Starting power reset sequence. Power restored. Batcave online.
What? Okay.
This just in, the animals at the Gotham City Zoo are on the loose. Let's go live to the scene.
It is crazy here. Animals are running everywhere. Zoo officials believe the penguin freed the animals and is trying to steal the penguin.
The Joker is a criminal mastermind with a twisted sense of humor.
Humor?
Hello? Is anybody home? It's me, Joker. I'll just let myself in. What does this switch do? Oh. Time to turn the Batcave into my fun house.
The penguin wears a tuxedo and a top hat and uses an umbrella to hide a variety of gadgets.
That can turn on.
Security alert. Security alert. The penguin has been detected.
magnificent habitat for my penguin army. Flying rodents, meet my birds.
This is a special weather alert. What started as a typical warm summer day has quickly changed as temperatures have plunged.
All of Gotham City is now seeing blizzard conditions. The storm has come out of nowhere and caught everyone by surprise.
Everyone but me.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye! Where's the Joker? Where's the fake Batman? Hey, Batman! He's over here! Let's pretend to where Batman gets into jail. I don't know. Time to fight, yeah. Time to fight his crime. Oh, no, you don't. Time. Yeah, it's an automatic pilot. Batman, wait.